All right, Dennison, so I love it.
Hey guys, it's Ray Alvarez from Shoot with Ray, and in this How I Shot It video, you're stepping behind the scenes with me to see how this brand new photo shoot came together for Dennison. Dennison hired Kevin and I to create some brand new portraits along with a brand new video and interview style clips. Now the video portion of it wasn't filmed, but you'll get to see the gear I use, how I shot some of the photos, and the process. Keep in mind certain parts of the video will be muted or replaced with music simply because during the filming of this video, they have some music playing in the background that will possibly apply some copyright strikes to my channel. So let's start off with the setup of the gear that I used for this photo shoot. And I'm using the Flashpoint 600 watt SE, in other words, the AD600 SE. And although I'm in the studio and I could have gotten away with a 200 watt, I wanted to use the 600 watt just so I have that reliability that I can count on with the power that I needed to be at. Although I know I'm not going to be shooting high power, but the battery alone was something that I always appreciate when it comes to studio work. I'm also going to be using the cheetah stands for my stands. I have two C10s and then a C8. And for light modifiers, I'm going to be using the 24 MagBox Pro by MagMod, along with one of the MagMod Stripboxes. I have the Angler Mini Reflector, which I use 99% of the time for studio work and headshots, along with the brand new Post Perfect mat that I use for all of my headshots to give my clients direction as to where they should stand to get the best angles. At the end of the day, this is the gear that works for me, and I know that in these videos people kind of look up to that. And with that being said, I just want to make sure that I'm sharing with you guys the gear that works for me and easy access to it so you can purchase it for yourself. But that's completely optional. You don't have to do that, but if you do, the link is below in the description. For this specific branding photo shoot, I used my 50mm 1.8 the entire time. For those who are interested, I use my camera, which is the Sony a7R5. I never really like to mention that I'm using a specific camera just because, quite honestly, the camera doesn't matter. The camera, the resolutions that are coming out nowadays, the sensors that are included in these cameras nowadays are amazing. I don't know how many times I have to say this to people. It's not the camera. Most of the time all the time, it's light and lens. That's it. An operator. You know, if you have the artistic eye or you have the artistic vision, you can make things happen with whatever camera you have in your hand. Always keep that in mind, guys. As always, when it comes to most of my headshots, portrait sessions, and studio work, I'm always using my iPad. I have a few videos on this. I always like to think of my clients as the creative director because at the end of the day, my clients are paying me for a service. I'm here to help create that vision and make it come to life. So why would I not show my clients what we're creating? I don't want to create any false expectations. I don't want them to go home, look at the proofs and say, I don't like any of this. So for that reason, I always use the iPad. I take breaks in between my photo shoots to show my clients what we're creating and make sure that we're on the same page.
Awesome. All right, and then Dennison, what you're gonna do is we're gonna start off with some general portraits. You're gonna step on yellow for me. You're gonna stand like this. This is the reflector. This is just gonna give you some pop of light. Stand here and we're just gonna test some lighting with you on it, okay? Let me just fix this real quick for you. I can't. I'm going home. I'm going home. This is too easy. You're too easy. All right, cool. I love that. I love that. Let me start off with some verticals.
So we're starting off with some mid-body portraits or 3/4. I know a lot of people have different terminologies they use for that portion of the body, but yeah, these are portraits, and we're working with Dennison to make sure we capture some great photos.
And then one more time. Yeah. Love it, Dennison. That looks great. All right, switch it up. I saw you doing something to the side. You had like the pen to the side. Yes, yes, yes. Hold that right there for me. Looking at the pen just like that. Hold it right there. Let me see what that looks like. In 1 sec. All right, one more time. 1, 2, and 3. And then this time now you can look at the camera. Hold it right there. Let me see. Oh my God. You want to see a preview so far? There, right there. I'll bring it to you. All right, here we go. We're going to work backwards. So it's from the last photo that I just took.
I love this one.
Let's see here.
So much.
You like that one? Everything looks great on that one too. The lighting, you look great. The pen looks great. Suit looks good.
Ah, so good.
Look at you. Look at that one. That was a test shot. That was a test shot. That's not it. But we missed the green. We didn't get the green. So let's do something there.
Okay, let's take that one more time.
What the best
Go for it.
pose for it would be.
Okay. I love that. Right there. Perfect. Let me see what that looks like real quick. Love it right there. Hold it for me, Dennison. That's amazing. Wow. 1, 2. One more time. There you go. Doing fantastic. Perfect. Looking at the camera now. As she's fixing you up, feel free to scroll through those. How do you feel about those?
Oh, love. Love, love, love.
Oh, wow, Dennison.
So you see where I said we
Yeah.
missed the green, but I mean I still like them.
Oh, yeah, no, I still like it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see what it would look like if you're like in an action shot where you're kind of halfway putting it on, right? Just like that, right? You see what you just did? That's exactly what I mean. Because I want to see if we can kind of implement the green a little bit where we see it. What would it look like if you hold it on the opposite side? So here, I'll switch. I'll hold that for you.
Cherry?
You review.
Cherry.
So I love this. Disregard that little circle. That's just a reflection of my light. I'll make sure to Photoshop that out. But I wanted to get some close-ups of it.
Okay, she.
Is that good?
It's great.
Look at that one. You like the lighting and everything? Is it?
I love it.
Okay, making sure
Yeah,
you're okay.
no, it's-
Oh, go back. I like that. For some reason, that candid was really cute. Look at that.
Yeah.
Would you like to do something where you're holding it
Look back at me.
and almost like you're writing on it, like you're actually doing it, or would that not corroborate with what you do?
Not. I
Okay.
feel like it would look weird just because I'm standing. Usually it would be like. on
Yeah,
a
you're usually
table
sitting
and
for
stuff.
that. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Okay.
In this part of the photo shoot, Dennison switched to his favorite green suit where he is also displaying his watercolor work that he specializes in. These photos will be used for his website and social media. We're going to be using some specific poses that he already has in mind and we already discussed prior to filming the video. And in this portion of the photo shoot, I am using two lights. I have an 8200 paired with the MagBox Pro 36-inch Stripbox, placed camera left.
Awesome. Perfect. Love it. Amazing. All right, I'm rolling.
Can I step in for one?
Absolutely. You are looking for things that I cannot see. There you go. Good catch. Love it. 1, 2.
It's always great to have an assistant or someone looking out for small details that you may be bypassing while you're focusing on framing, composition, and other technical details. In this case, Dennison came prepared and had someone looking out for that. Alright guys, let me know what you think about the photo shoot in the comments. Don't forget to tap the bell if you have already subscribed, so that way you get notified every single time I drop a video. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.